Missed pre-construction meeting by Luke Rohr. Which contractor was in error? The subcontractor who took out a permit to connect a new branch water line to a main in a heavy traveled street is at fault. The subcontractor is at fault because he should have held a pre-construction meeting before any construction work started. There are certain responsibilities that come with the pulling a permit that must be followed and clearly was not. Is the city correct in shutting down the project? Yes, the city was correct in shutting down the project. To gather everyone together for a conference, and because of the urgent need to get the water service back on, they gathered everybody together to discuss the proper, also the proper path forward, for the subcontractor to do his work. What should the course of action be? The contractor must explain to the city how they're going to get tie into that main water, tie into the water main, and what materials will be used for the tie-in. Subcontractor will have to explain what stones and fines to lay the pipe on for the tie-in. Someone will need to inspect after the tie-in is done and before and after the water is turned on. The subcontractor will also have to fill up the trench and will have to find out from the city what their requirements are for the backfilling. Paving and line painting will be followed. The sub has now explained to the city how he proposes to make this water main tie-in work. The city must then give the subcontractor the approval, or if not approved, the requirements to finish the work. The city then should allow the subcontractor to proceed if the city agrees with the subcontractor's method going further. Should a general contractor or subcontractor be fined? I do believe both contractors should be fined by not notifying the city, the fire department, or the water company of the water shutdown, which could have caused major problems. Should the general contractor or subcontractor be eliminated from bidding on future projects? I do not believe they both should be eliminated from bidding on future public area work because of not setting up the pre-construction meeting. Although I do believe the fine should be steep. If their workmanship does not meet the required standards, they should be eliminated. Whose responsibility was it to schedule the pre-construction meeting? The subcontractor should have set up the pre-construction meeting with the city, the water company, the fire company, and as well the general contractor.